Taco Tuesday, back at it again with another video. If you've been watching so far, you know that in the month of February, I'm starting every video off with a quote from a prominent African American. And today's quote comes from Ursula Burns, who's the Xerox chairman and CEO, and the first African American woman to lead an S&P 500 company. So her quote says, "I realized I was more convincing to myself and to the people who were listening when I actually said what I thought versus what I thought people wanted to hear me say." So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some heart-shaped chocolates. This is a really simple and easy recipe. You only need a couple of ingredients and supplies to get it popping. Plus, it's a super cute way to say, or a super cute way to show, rather, just how much you love somebody. So I hope that you'll keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is take your melting wafers or candy melts and then add a little bit of some coconut oil and pop those into the microwave for about 30 seconds. You don't want to do more than that because you don't want to scorch your chocolate. And you can see after 30 seconds mine aren't completely melted, so I'm just going to pop them back in the microwave for 30 more seconds. This is the consistency you should have after microwaving. So I'm taking my candy molds and I'm using heart shapes because I thought these were going to be for Valentine's Day. But you can use any shaped candy molds for any season or occasion. And I'm choosing to decorate mine with some assorted pink sprinkles. And then I'm also going to have some chopped nuts. I've got some peanuts, I've got almonds, and I've also got some chopped walnuts. Then I'm going to take my white chocolate and I'm just going to fill each candy mold. I'm using a ½ teaspoon to fill my candy molds, and I use a total of 1 teaspoon per mold to fill mine up. So after I finished filling my decorated candy molds, I decided to make some just plain, like you see here. So once they're all filled up, I'm just going to tap the candy molds on the counter to get all the air bubbles out and make sure they're flat. Then I'm going to transfer them into my freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow them to set. I'm basically going to repeat all the same steps with my chocolate chips, the semi-sweet mini morsels, so I can have a little variety. As you can see, my chocolate's ready, and I'm just using those same decorations to fill this set of molds and then filling them with the chocolate. So you'll put your chocolate ones in the freezer as well, and then once they've completely set, you'll go ahead and take them out, and then you just pop the chocolates out of the molds like I'm doing here. Voila! It's just that simple to make some heart-shaped chocolates to share with somebody you love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.